to reschedule your ride on Motional application. First, when you open the app, you'll see an home page which will look something like this. And here you want to enter your destination by tapping on where are you going, and you want to simply type in your destination. After you have typed in your destination, you'll see an option which will look like this. If you want to book your ride right now, you can simply click on ride now, or if you want to schedule, you can simply tap on schedule. Choose a time according to your schedule over here and simply tap on confirm. After that, you want to click on schedule ride to schedule your ride. If you want to reschedule your ride, you want to simply go on my rides, and here you will see two options called schedule and cancel ride. You want to simply tap on reschedule. After that, you want to tap on reschedule again. After that, you'll be able to select your time over here by tapping on your ride details and simply tap on reschedule to reschedule your ride, or if you want to simply cancel it, you can tap on cancel ride to cancel your ride. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.